Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to restore games in Steam. Now let us begin. Do note previously I had created a backup for a game. Now all I'm gonna do is try to restore it. Well, it's quite easy. At the top left, you will see a button like this called as Steam. Click on it right now. Now once you do, these things will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is click on Restore Game Backup. Click on it, and guys, that is it. From here, all you guys need to do is select the backup folder. I'm gonna select it right now. Well guys, as you can see, I have selected the backup and the backup has been found. Now all I'm gonna do is click on this button that says Restore Backup. Now it's gonna ask me where I want to install it. Simply select the place and hit on Install. That is it guys. That is how you restore a game in Steam. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.